Today on Cooked at Camp, I'm making a prawn laksa. This cooking segment is just a snippet from a regular wild touring episode exploring the beautiful WA Goldfields area with Tiff and the kids. You'll find a link to that full episode in the video description below. I have got this thing pretty loaded up because I want it to burn down and I want to cook on some coals tonight. So yeah, anyway, we're doing a laksa for tea. We've been doing a few of these at home lately, eh?
Yeah.
Some of the veggies we've got, the fridge has been so overpacked that it's been running too cold and they're looking a little bit sad. The spring onion's actually not too bad. Coriander's looking real sad.
It's not integral to the dish, and we might just chop up some of the stems and put that in the laksa.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna roughly chop the white bits, the stalk, and I'm gonna fry this off in the bottom of our pot shortly with some oil. I'll get that going. Get those stalks ready, like you said, Tiff. That is looking so sad.
Yeah.
It's not much that's going in the end, is there? I'll just prep a couple more things while I'm letting that spring onion start to heat up, and then it's going to happen pretty quickly, I reckon. And into the pan with a couple of tablespoons of garlic, a couple of teaspoons, of ginger, and a teaspoon of lemongrass. That only needs a minute just to smell delicious. And next is a jar of laksa paste. Now, this is definitely the best one. It's Kawn is the brand. You won't get it at Coles or Woolies.
You might in like metro areas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Country areas, rural areas, you don't, or so we found out. But you will find it at any decent Asian grocer. This is the best one. I've tried a couple of different ones. This one is the most authentic taste. It's delicious. So the whole jar is going in there, 200 grams. Just another minute or so like this. My chopped coriander can go in now. And then a full can of coconut cream or coconut milk. We're using coconut cream. And now I want 500 mils of vegetable stock, but I want to get all the last bit of flavour out of that. So I'll use that as my measuring device. Heap teaspoon of this bad boy. And I'll need 2.5 of these because it's only 200 mils. Juice of an entire lime. And a good whack of fish sauce. For a bit of funk, or a bit more funk, should I say. We've been making this a few different ways lately. Last time we did pot stickers, didn't we? Dumplings.
Dumplings.
And they were nice. This time we're going to do hokkein noodles and prawns. So I can dump the noodles in now as it's coming to heat. They just need to basically come up to the boil and they're ready to go. So it's a good time to bang them in. They'll loosen up in a minute. And then the prawns, I'll bang the prawns in now as well. So these are raw. They have been frozen. And they're like the ones that come with the, what is it, like garlic and herb butter. That's cool. We're just going to whack the whole lot in. It's just going to add flavour. But they will kind of, what's the word?
Poach.
Poach. Yeah. Poach.
Fish is the other good one to have in laksa, like fresh white fish.
Yeah, you got to catch it yourself though.
Yeah. Not out here, we won't.
No. So I'll just knock that back out onto the heat for a minute, and once it's up to the boil, then I'll bang the lid on, take it off the heat, and I'll let it simmer for like the next 3 or 4 minutes. And I'll just check the prawns are cooked. Once the prawns are cooked, I think we're pretty much done and ready to serve. Already tested one of those prawns. They've poached wonderfully. Can I serve for you?
Yep.
So I'll just build it the way I would, minus the chilli.
Bean shoots.
Yeah, a couple of bean shoots in the bottom for a little bit of crunch. And then noodles. All right.
Are you going to pick out some prawns?
I am, yeah.
Yeah.
How many you want? 3 or 4?
Yeah, give me 4.
This will be, you might need more than that actually because they're small, hey. Some spring onions for you. I can't weigh too many spring onions. I don't know what I was thinking.
Yeah, I did tell you.
Yeah. Some spring onions for me. Fried shallots.
Some more onion?
Yeah. And I'm going to have some red chilies because I'm an animal. Oh, some sauce, Tiff. How'd I forget? Should have done that first, actually. Doesn't matter. Tools.
Yeah, how am I eating this?
Yeah, almost need a spork, hey?
Yeah, I'll just go with a fork.
Okay.
Bear with me, I need to get a little bit of everything.
No, everyone's used to you taking ages to taste food.
I hope it's not hot.
It looks really hot. It's not that spicy though. This one's less spicy than the other one we do. What do you reckon?
Delicious.
Yeah, that's happiness in a bowl. Isn't it?
It's nice.
Delicious. This is like proper comfort food.